Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Rally Sport. Killer car, guys. This is one of those cars that you got to drive to appreciate. Because if you're a Camaro fan, you know, they don't drive the best. This one runs and drives outstanding. Nice and tight, doesn't shimmy, doesn't shake, doesn't rattle. Great, it's got a nice little powertrain in it, got great sounding cam. Love the paint on this car. This is a factory Olympic gold car. And whoever painted it, it is beautiful. Car underwent a complete body-up restoration about 5 years ago. You can see it's got Nitto rubber all the way around it. Those are 17-inch ZR-rated Nittos. It has the billet SS Rally wheels from American Racing on it. Great car. Cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. The hideaways do work. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on this car, man. Super nice car. I saw a couple little touch-up marks, but other than that, just a slick car. And drives just as sweet as can be. That's just a little dirt there, guys. Sorry. We missed it. Cowl hood. Again, gorgeous paint. And this is the original color combo. Factory Olympic gold with standard black interior. Very, very nicely done car. See a couple little touch-up marks. They must have touched that spoiler on something. Very, very nice car. Sits good. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got the stainless pipes. Got a good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. Bumpers have definitely been replaced. The chrome and stainless is very nice. That is a good car right there. Power front disc brakes. He said the suspension was all gone through. Of course, it's got the black hockey stripe. Good running. 350 small blocks, got dart angle plug aluminum heads on it. Phi-Tech fuel injection. It's got the Winners, the GM style aluminum intake. Nice set of thinned aluminum valve covers with a stock air cleaner. It's got power steering, power front disc brakes, hooker headers. 350 turbohydramatic trans. HEI distributor, he said they just went through the trans. That is a pretty car. B likes it too. It's got the dual chrome mirrors, new door fuzzies, new door handles, new door rubbers. Said they redid all the interior. Factory bucket seats. It's got the center console. It's got the sports steering wheel. Headliner looks new. Showing 20,000. He figured, you know, 4,000 or 5,000 probably on this car since the resto. Aftermarket gauges. It's got a Retrosounds radio, and there's a plug-in for your phone or whatever you want to plug into them. X-Pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system. It's got a stock 10-bolt with a 308 posi rear gear. So definitely something you can get on the expressway and cruise. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Nice car right there. Really, really nice driver. Got great sound. I love the stance. The car is clean underneath. You see it's got a polished fuel tank on it. A little dust on it. Actually, they've been waiting all day. We've been dodging raindrops all day to get this thing shot. Seats have definitely been repadded, refoamed. Yeah, that's a good car right there. Dual mirror. Nice little cam to it. It's in hits, man. Neat car. Hideaways do work. Oh, it's got the temp gauge down here. Good old pressure, yep. Oh, shut your door first, man. Great sound. Radio works, blower motor works. Is that temp gauge been on? Thinking? I don't. When I drove it, it wasn't on. So, yeah, I don't know. It's on. It's we'll check it. It's actually on the gauge down below. You can see it's not hot or anything. Nope. We'll check the wipers. Hope they're working. Headlights do work. Oh. Hold on, Nathan. In a second. Oh, got it. Yeah. Let it go. Good. There you go. Now you can shut them off. Takes them a second. Good. They are vacuum. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. We sell 200 to 300 of these things a year. Best thing I can tell you guys, just keep track of us. If you're looking for a specific car, I know we're getting a lot of that right now.